Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to open a Bank of America account as a non-resident with easy step-by-step instructions. Welcome to our channel today. We're diving into exactly how you can open a Bank of America account, even if you are a non-resident. Opening a bank account in the U.S. can seem complex if you are not a resident, but by following clear steps, you can do it smoothly. First, gather all necessary documents. You'll need a valid passport, a secondary form of identification such as a foreign driver's license or government-issued ID, proof of address from your home country like a utility bill or bank statement, and your immigration documents if applicable like a visa or work permit. Next, visit the Bank of America website or a local branch to start your account application. If applying online, look for the option tailored for non-residents and carefully fill in your personal information. For in-person applications, visit a branch with your documents ready and speak with a banker to guide you. Once your documents are verified, you will choose the type of account that fits your needs. Bank of America offers checking and savings accounts with different features, so select the one that best suits your financial goals. You may also be asked to make an initial deposit, which can typically be done via wire transfer or cash during your branch visit. After your account is opened, you'll receive your debit card by mail or at the branch, along with details on how to set up online and mobile banking so you can manage your money easily from anywhere. Keep in mind, some banks may have specific policies for non-resident accounts regarding fees or limits, so ask your banker any questions before finalizing the account. Overall, opening a Bank of America account as a non-resident is straightforward with the right preparation and information. Following these steps ensures you can confidently access U.S. banking services to support your personal or business needs. Don't forget to keep your documents handy and stay in communication with the bank for smooth account management. Finally, if you found this step-by-step guide helpful, please remember to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up to support more valuable content like this.